So hello guys, right, today we're going to learn how to do this awesome little move, which is behind the weave, back weave, and it's a neat little variation. So first of all, we're going to start off by learning the stall flick. So we're going to start off by moving our hand, okay, from 12 all the way till 3, and from 3, okay, we're going to turn our hand round and we're going to shoot it forward, okay. If you shoot it from here to here, okay, just draw in a straight line. So you bring your arm in so it's bent, you turn your body that way and you shoot it out, okay. Doing this here is going to cause a stalling motion. So that is the first part, okay. So next of all is going to be the flick. That is going to be the little bit more complex part, but not too much. So once it gets over here, okay, what we want to do is when this is here, we want to lift this in the air, okay. And what that's going to do is that's going to cause that to spin uncontrollably, okay. Well, now that isn't the element of the stall flick, but part of it is, okay. So once we go here and we shoot this forward, right, once we've lifted our hand up, we are going to turn our hand down, and this is going to fold and we're able to receive the chuck, and it kind of looks like an L at this point. So watch. So that's the first part, okay. So this is all done with your dominant hand. So next of all is going to be getting it to stall from 3 back to 9 behind you, okay. So not too much more difficult. The hard part comes with the weave. So we go here, bring it that way, bring it behind us, and then we need to stall that way. So it's kind of like a zigzag. So I go from here, so I bring it over to 9, and then I'm going to shoot my hand forward and lift it up. I'm going to turn my hand down, and that's going to allow me to be able to receive the chuck. Next of all, so that's all done over here. We're going to stall behind us like this, and then once this is pointing at 3 o'clock, we're going to move this chuck down like this, okay? So I'll show you from this side. So I'm going to move it down like this. So this stick you're pointing from 9 to 6 to 3, okay? And what that's going to cause is that's going to cause it to stall in front of you, okay? So it looks 1, 2, stall behind you, stall in front of you. Right, so that's actually pretty awesome, isn't it? So next of all, the hard part. So I'm going to do my best to explain this the best that I can, because it's quite a new move and I have been practicing it all year, so I'm really excited to bring it to my channel. So please do subscribe, yeah, smash that like, smash the notification bell, and you'll get more great content like this. So let's get back to the move. So once we've done this, boom, 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 and now we're here, okay, what I want you to do, okay, is what's going to go on, okay, this chuck, this one, that is in a non-dominant hand, okay, is going to go up. So it's going to go up and over this stick. So watch. It goes whoosh. Yeah, so it's very similar, yeah, to the stall here. Yeah, the only difference is, yeah, you're going to take this stall here and you are going to bring it over the top of the other stick in your left hand. So you're going to bring your right hand stick over the left hand stick, whoosh, like this. Now the complex part happens, okay. The stick that's in your left hand, what you're going to do is you're going to do a rotation here, but you need to get out and from underneath this stick, right. So we go up and then we go whoosh. Yeah, so this goes over, this goes under, and back over like this. So we go 1 over, then this one goes under like this, then this one goes over and then under, okay, then this one, so it is literally just just like you're going over and under with the sticks, yes? So we're going over, under, over, under, and that, whereas you're going over, you're going to go under with this one, see? And it's very similar to the 3-beat weave at the front. The only difference is you're in a very tight gap, which that's why it makes it awfully difficult to actually do. So I really do hope this video helps you out, and please do tune in. Please do subscribe, help me grow my channel, and you'll have an awesome time learning with me. And yeah, I've got okay. I've got okay with my skills.